Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a verified PayPal account in Nigeria in less than 10 minutes. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome to Learn with Austin. In this channel, I'm going to be teaching you simple business tips and marketing tips that you could use or that could help you to grow, that could help you to start, grow, and scale your business with little or no capital. All right? So please do well to subscribe to this channel and also like the video so that more people can watch. So if you have a question on this video or you feel like the explanation wasn't clear enough, do well to drop a comment so that I can go back to it and make it more clearer for you. Before we go ahead to create the PayPal account, we need to first of all ask, what is PayPal? So PayPal is an online payment platform that serves as your bank, as your online bank for making, receiving payment in a safe and secure way. Okay, so PayPal is basically just like your bank. It helps you collect payment from your customers, it helps you collect payment from your family and friends, and it helps you store all of these payments in your PayPal account. Okay, it's no longer news that PayPal frowns at Nigerian accounts, which makes using them for our online business becomes very limited, if not impossible. Okay, but that's all going to end in this video because I've found a way that you could use to create a PayPal account in Nigeria and still have to return it without having to worry about PayPal ban or PayPal restrictions. So you have to watch this video to the end so that I could see the strategy I'm going to share with you. All right. So why do you need this? This has become a common issue among online business owners, especially those serving the global market until now. Then after my research, I discovered that you could also actually create a Nigerian PayPal account with a Lesotho location, okay? And so far, it is the safest way and it's 100% legitimate because you're going to still use all your government issued ID card, and when your PayPal gets runs into a restriction or gets into trouble, you can as well use these documents to request for verification. So it's not like we are cutting any corners. This is 100% verified and legitimate. Okay. So who is this meant for? This PayPal account, of course, is meant for every online business person. So be it an e-commerce owner or affiliate marketer or CPA marketer, a blogger, everybody, you need PayPal to take payment from your partners when you are selling products as an affiliate. You need payment to you need PayPal as well to collect payments from your customers if you are selling products, if you are selling e-commerce products to the international markets. Okay, here are the requirements. Before you even go ahead to create PayPal, you need certain requirements. Okay, so for this case, we need an email address. We need a valid government issued ID card. For the valid government issued ID card, this can be a national ID card, it can be a driver's license, it can be an international passport, it can be any government issued ID card. Also, we need our Nigerian phone number. So in this case, we don't need to go and start looking for a US number or start looking for VPN. No, we can achieve a purely verified business PayPal account with our Nigerian number right with this method I'm going to show you in this video. Also, you'll be needing a Nigerian address. All right, so this address is highly recommended that you use the address that is on your government issued ID card. Okay, this is so because you don't want to have problems in the future. Maybe let's say PayPal limits your account and you're asked to send in documents for verification. You don't want to send in a valid government ID card with a different address to the address in your account. So every information you're going to be using in this process has to tally. All right. Another thing you'll be needing is your debit MasterCard. Okay, you'll be needing your debit MasterCard so that you could be able to link your PayPal account to your bank account. All right. Okay, lest I forgot, please, if you are going to be creating this account, make sure to not use an email address that you've already used in the future. So if you've used an email address to create a PayPal account, a merchant account in the future, do well not to use it in this video. try to create a fresh email address, and the most recommended is a Gmail address. Please don't use Yahoo Mail for this account creation. Use Gmail, a fresh Gmail account. Okay, so let's go ahead to start creating this account. The first thing we do is to just go to this URL, paypal.com. So now we are on PayPal website. Okay, if you scan through the website, you can see it's all about getting paid and receiving payment. Get paid however you do business online on your website with online invoicing. Better for you and your customers. You see? So let's go over here and click on sign up. So account type, that's the step 2. So for here, we have 2 account types. We have the personal account and we have the business account. The personal account lets you shop in your country around the world from your computer or on your mobile phone, all without sharing your financial info with the sellers. And business account lets you accept payment and send invoices to your customers. It's easier and more secure to sell to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. So for this case, we're going to use a business PayPal. So we'll select a business PayPal and we'll click on next. So on the step 3, we are going to enter our email address. So make sure the email address haven't been used for any merchant account before. I mentioned this previously. You have to make sure that you are going to be using a fresh email account. You don't necessarily need to go and create a fresh one. But if you have an email account that you've not used for this purpose before, go ahead to use it. But please don't use Yahoo Mail. Don't use Yahoo Mail. All right. So let's go over and input our account email address. I'm going to call this art culture. So I'm going to call this artculturebmc@gmail.com. Click on next. Oh, sorry. I actually have a PayPal account. So, but for the sake of this video, let me type fastly to leave. Let me try opening a fresh one. Then let's select a password. So I'm going to type in my password. So on step 4, we are required to add our business information. On this page, you'll be required to enter your personal or business information. You don't have to worry about your business information. Just make sure you are using your real names as seen on your government issued ID card or documents. Okay, so here we are going to fill up all of this information. PayPal is actually trying to make sure that we are real business. So we're going to, on business contact, legal first name. So this is going to be our own name. Okay, so I'm going to put Austin. My legal last name is going to be Jem. So my business details, I'm going to use Art Culture BMC. All right, let's go back to our slide. Okay, if you get to the section of entering your phone number, you don't have to leave your phone number on this country, on Lesotho. No, you don't have to. You can easily just come down here and find your country code. Okay, so I'm going to look for Nigeria here. So I'm going to look for Nigeria here. Then I'm going to put my number. Okay. Let's add our business address. I think that will be the 5th slide. The 6th slide. So let's add our business address. So I'm going to say Okay. So we've added our address. We've added our address. So let's complete the form. This is the primary currency. So on this currency section, I always leave mine at US dollars. But if you're working with another currency, let's say Canadian dollar or British pounds, you can always just click and use any of the currency here. But I'm going to use US dollars for this case. So I'll just agree to the terms and condition and continue. Okay, so on this section, we are asked to enter your business info. Select individual business, then select a category and subcategory that your business fall into. So we are going to select a business type now. Okay. So on this business type, we have various categories for business type, but for this particular account that we are going to be creating, we are going to be using a sole proprietorship, so a one-man business. Okay, so we'll just select sole proprietorship. Then under keywords or product that you are selling, I'm going to write advertising services. For the website option, this is actually optional. Okay, so I can decide to add a website here. I can decide to not add a website here. But because I'm not going to be doing that, I'm going to be using advertising. I don't necessarily need the website. So I just select advertising and I'll click on continue. So on this section, I'm going to add in my personal information. Okay, so like I said, make sure that whichever information you are giving to PayPal tallies with the information on your government issued ID card, because at the end of the day, when issues arise, PayPal is going to request for you to send in all these your documentations, and if the information doesn't tally, your account is going to likely be banned or be limited. Okay, so you have to make sure that you are giving in details the way they should be. So if you have Lekki, Lagos in your government issued ID card, you should also do well to have that as your normal address on your account. You don't want to have Lekki on your government issued ID card and on your business account you're having Abuja. All right, they can't verify those kind of information. Okay, so let's fill in our date of birth. So I'm going to do 17th of May 1994. For nationality, I'm going to select Nigeria. Then PayPal is going to ask you what kind of document do you want to verify your account with. They have national ID card option, they have international passport, and they have driver's license. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose national ID card. Okay, then we're going to put our national ID card number. So card number A1. All right. Yes, you can do same as business address. Then we'll click on submit. Okay, yes, this is our PayPal dashboard. We just created a PayPal account without having to use any VPN. Okay. Yes, so congratulations, you have just created a PayPal account. Now, we are not done yet. We have to verify this account. Okay, so to verify your PayPal account, kindly check your email inbox, and you will see an email from PayPal asking you to verify your account. Click and confirm the email address to have your PayPal account verified. All right, so let's quickly go over to the email account we used to create this PayPal account. All right, so I'm just going to go over to Gmail. I'm going to click on add account. Okay. All right, so this As you can see, these are the messages PayPal just recently sent me. Let's quickly go over here to verify our account. So we'll just click on confirm your email. Then we log in. So you have to log in to be able to do that. So quickly just use the password, confirm login. Oh yes, as you can see, we just created our account, and yes, we don't have to, we didn't worry about using VPN, we didn't worry about using all of that. Yes, and now you can start receiving and sending out money with PayPal easily. So please try and apply this. Try and create your account. If you've been struggling to create PayPal account, try and use this method. Get all this documentation I requested from you. You know, your name, your email address, your government issued ID card, a phone number. Get all of this information. Try creating your account and let me know in the comment section if you were successful or if you need my help with clarity or all of that. Thanks for watching, and please support my channel by subscribing, by liking, commenting and sharing. Please, if you like these videos, more people will get to see, and you know, these values can be shared across. So please do well to like, do well to comment, and do well to share. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.